Service warning reset on a Audi Q5. This is a 2010 model. And you just want to push the key into the ignition. As you can see, the service due warning is on there. You just push the key into the ignition onto its first point. Keep your foot off the brake. Over to the center console here. You go down and you press car. Car option comes up on the display. You go to this section here. And you drop down to service interval display. Press enter. Reset oil change interval. Press enter. Do you really want to reset it? Click yes. And the service warning should be reset. We'll double check that now. And that is it. That is how you reset the service warning in an Audi Q5. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.